Hello everyone, this is teacher Harpreet. Hope you're all doing good. I'm back with another video on making fitness fun at home. For this activity, I'll be using 2 paper plates. If you don't have paper plates, you can just cut 2 papers or maybe any cardboard or any paper which you have at home. Hope you guys will enjoy this activity. Let's get started. Simple activities with paper plates you do to get active, get movement, and most importantly, have fun. Keep rocking. Bye.